Hey Jake, this is Jake here, my dog. He loves to hang out with me on my builds. So this is a boat, a pontoon boat. I believe it's a 16-foot, and we're gonna strip it all the way down to the frame and basically make it like new. So everything's gonna be coming out, all that stuff. I don't think I'm gonna use anything that's already existing there except for the pontoons and the frame, of course. I'm gonna try and save the trolling motor here. It did work, but it's gonna need to be redone. I already started taking it apart. I just haven't done this side yet. The pontoons, as you can see, it's been sitting in the water for quite a long time. Needs some TLC, and I did buy some chemicals to try and clean this up, and then we'll see how that goes. All right, so go ahead and stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are on. This is a new project for us. We normally be working on cars, but this is a boat, and that's it. Blue Line Garage, that's how we do. These seats were so badly corroded, all you had to do was push them and they would have fell off. Same thing happened here in the center. Got a piece off the front so far. I want to at least make it to right around there. Clean it up. These screws I can't unscrew. I'm going to have to break the wood off with them. But not bad so far. Yeah, go ahead, say hi. Hello what?
Hello.
Okay. Took the motor out, did all this extra stuff here. Still trying to figure out how to clean this up. If you guys have any ideas, shoot me a comment, let me know. Alright guys, so we're trying to get we got all the top off, the furniture at least. We got the floor left to do. We're still trying to clean up the pontoons a little bit more. We're making some progress, but not that much. Once we get the decking off, we're going to be making out pretty good. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Alright, I got all the decking off here. As you could see, everything's pretty nice and clean, except for these channels. Like here is good, but towards the middle and towards the end it's all kind of chipped away, and I'll show you on the other side. But the full floor is completely out. Everything is good. We're fixing up the pontoons a little bit. Next episode, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning up the whole pontoon, sanding it down, polishing it up, making it look like perfect, and then we're going to start putting the floor down. Let's see. So if you look right here, you can see where it's all chewed up. And some more over here. Definitely over here. You can see how bad it is right here. But it looks pretty good. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to be putting a fish tank storage in here, but underneath the boat with circulating water, so when you catch a fish, it could stay fresh until you dock. And that's how it's looking. Not too bad. So stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. And Blue Line Garage, that's how we do.